Have you ever been speaking to someone or a group of people and noticed that they had a confused look on their face, like they weren't following you or understanding you? Have you ever been told that you speak too fast? Do you feel rushed when you feel anxious or nervous and therefore tend to speak too fast? Do you have an accent that might make it a little difficult for people to follow and understand you? If so, I want you to know that you're not alone. My name is Michael Williams, and I want you to know that over the past several years, I've helped thousands of people transform their speech and their careers. You probably already know this. There are people around you who are not as competent and capable as you are, but who are progressing faster because they have excellent communication skills. So if you're watching this video and you know that perhaps you speak too fast, or that people are not understanding what you're saying, your thoughts and your ideas, those things that you're articulating, and you want to change that, then I want to invite you to this session because I'm going to be sharing with you 3 very specific and scientifically based steps that you can apply immediately to help you slow down and clearly articulate your thoughts. Again, my name is Michael Williams, and I look forward to seeing you there.